The Co-Welder from Migatronic is a collaborative welding robot, an automated solution that works together with the welder in a shared workspace. With Co-Welder, you can automate your welding in a fast and easy way, especially if you compare it to industrial robots, and you don't need any experience with automated welding. Weld small or large batches. Weld often or rarely recurring tasks. Upscale or downscale quickly when necessary. Improve your capacity significantly and deliver uniform welds in a high quality. Say goodbye to repetitive work. Let the Co-Welder take over the dull, routine jobs so your skilled welders can concentrate on more complicated tasks. The Co-Welder is produced in Denmark by skilled technicians. This ensures that all requirements for supreme quality, speed, and flexibility are met every time. Co-Welder from Migatronic. Explore the potential.